Deviant Art has released its own AI art generator, and it's paving the way for a more ethical use of artists' work. Deviant Art is an artistic community for sharing artworks. It's owned by the website builder Wix. Called DreamUp, Deviant Art claims that DreamUp lets you create AI art, knowing that creators and their work are treated fairly. They believe that artists should be allowed to decide whether their work is being used within AI or not. Recently, Shutterstock admitted that they sold rights to their collection of works to be used in the AI art database, and then conversely, to create artwork that will be put in competition with the original art inside of Shutterstock. This has provided irritation and anger from contributors to Shutterstock, especially when the AI art generators are being used to generate works that will compete for the revenue of works that were used to build them. These are interesting spoons you have here. I've been learning how to make spoons for the last 96 years. A fine utensil. Let me just take a little photo of that. Nope, I don't want it. Take a spoon. I will make my own spoon. I will take a photo of the spoon and I will recreate the spoon so similarly that it will be working perfectly the same and give you exactly the same experience, but I will change it ever so slightly that you cannot claim that it was copyrighted. Deviant Art is claiming the moral high ground. They say that artists should be able to tell third-party AI datasets whether or not their content can be used. All deviations are automatically labeled as not authorized, which means all of the work inside Deviant Art that has been shared is not, by default, allowed to be used and scraped by the AI art generators. Deviant AI is including a HTML tag on all artists' work, which will prevent AI bots from scraping their images. The tag no AI and no image AI are appended to the HTML page associated with their art. In order to remain in compliance with Deviant Art's terms of service, crawlers will have to be prevented from downloading and scraping any page with these HTML tags. And playing around a little bit with DreamUp, it gives you very much similar results to any stable diffusion UI. In the DreamUp terms of service, they say that currently monetization and sales of images generated with DreamUp are not allowed. So they're not allowing you, in their terms of service, to commercialize your works. But quite how they would enforce that remains to be seen. It is admirable to see a major platform take a stake in protecting the rights and creativity of individual artists, and yet it's using Stable Diffusion for its AI art generator, which has been trained on millions of works that were not given explicit permission to be included in their dataset. The cat is out the bag. There is a huge available dataset that already exists, and there is no putting that dragon back in its cage. It is out and it is wild. And this, although it introduces some interesting concepts of protecting people's work by adding HTML tags, the fact remains is that it's using a model that still contains millions of images that were not given direct permission to be included in the models. So in my opinion, it shoots itself a little bit in the foot, a marketing ploy to differentiate it from other AI art generators and to get people like me to give it some publicity. It's raising a lot of discussion across the spectrum, and as one user comments, "No guys, just no, I opted out, but I don't really trust that, to be honest. AI images are not art. Having this website encourage it is really discouraging." The world of AI art is changing rapidly, and legislation and policy are slow to catch up. The ethics behind this topic are blurry, and there is no definitive line between right and wrong. Of course, there are risks with this new technology. Deepfakes for everyone, the ability to create manipulative propaganda and make it look like someone is doing something that they never did, or the ability to create infinite libraries of heinous and disgusting content. And however exciting this technology is, a small part of me cannot help but think we are building the most elaborate, function-filled cage for us to die inside of. Oh, yes, this cage is so marvelous. Look at these wonderful electrocution, powerful, intelligent beings, which I'm getting to control every aspect of my life. Oh. If we are not protecting the rights of artists, how do we protect the rights of the people using AI to create new art? It's easier to give someone a new toy than it is to decide how they should be able to use it. And with this, we have put a remarkably powerful technology into the hands of every soul on this planet. The repercussions will be felt decades, centuries into the future. This is a turning point and an epoch for civilization, and I can't wait to see what happens in this real-life sci-fi film. If you enjoyed this video, why not check out my courses on AI art, where you can learn to master this new technology. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'm Samson Voles. This is Delightful Design. Have a delightful day.